CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our two-way audio kit. It comes with a speaker, a microphone, a PoE power splitter, if you're going to be purchasing this along with a PoE camera from us, a RCA to RCA connector, a two-way power splitter for DC, and a DC coupler. This speaker, I'm going to show you how it's all connected. It has a mic built in, but I'm not using it because the microphone externally here is more powerful at picking up ambient noise. This speaker is very powerful. Once it's powered, you will see a green light on there. It even has alarm inputs. If a camera has alarm, like this one does, you could connect the two together. So if you trigger an alarm through the camera, it will sound off for siren. But I'm not going to cover that here. To connect everything together, the first thing you need to do is bring your PoE line into this PoE power splitter. What it does is splits data that gets connected to the camera's pigtail. The power gets connected to a power splitter. It's a two-way DC power splitter. One gets connected to the microphone first, and the microphone has a built-in power splitter that connects to a DC coupler to connect to the speaker. So one side of the power is being dedicated to the mic and speaker. The other is getting connected directly into the camera. This camera is 12 volts DC or PoE, so that's why it's able to accept this 12 volt PoE power. It's not a high power camera, so not a high wattage. We're able to use this PoE power splitter for it. And on the audio side, this camera has an audio in that's connected to the mic using an RCA coupler, connected to the white side of the mic. It has an audio out, which is the yellow cable that's connected to the audio out on the speaker. On the microphone again, power goes in, comes out through this black cable into the white cable for power using the DC coupler on the speaker. That's how you connect everything together. Once you have PoE power supplied to the camera using either a PoE switch like I have or a PoE injector, and you deploy the camera on your network, you can actually have two-way audio conversation. I already have the camera set up on my network, assigned an IP address, and it's viewable using Edge and IE mode. Now I'm on my computer, I'm in IE mode on Edge. I'm logged into the camera's web interface, and by using this button I can turn off two-way communication. When I turn it back on, the laptop uses the mic that's built in to take my audio and project it out of the speaker on the camera. And also the speakers on the laptop bring in the audio that's being fed from the mic on the camera and fed through the camera over the network back into here. So I'm going to turn it on. I press talk. Now I can hear myself on the speaker there. It's sitting to me on the right hand side. So I'm going to increase my speaker volume, and you're going to hear a lot of audio feedback because I'm right next to it. So there's definitely audio going out and audio coming in. Now, because these are so powerful devices, there's a lot of audio feedback happening while I'm right near them. But I've tested them that they work really well for audio pickup up to 30 feet away and projection up to 30 feet away. To give you an idea, the end of this warehouse is more than 30 feet long from where I'm standing. This is more about like 70 feet. I'm able to have a conversation when I'm standing at the far end with someone who's logged into the camera, and they can hear me from the microphone that's on this table here, and I can hear them through the speaker that's on the table. So it's as loud as 70 feet away in a closed, quiet environment. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.